Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can search for traffic cams in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the More Features section, click on the Traffic Cams button. And as you can see, you will find all the traffic cams on this map, so you can just check them, or you can scroll down and click on a specific one, and you will see the cam view live. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.